Okay, so in the last tutorial we saw basically the JSP page creation and how the static content was being written. So we are just left on the part where we want to run it. Okay, so let's run this application and see. And here we wrote the static content. Remember, welcome user, it's a JSP page now, and the login action is mapped to welcome.jsp. actually I just wrote welcome JSP, we need to add welcome.jsp. if we run this, you can see this is just a plain content. We haven't written the Java code in the JSP, so we will be doing that also soon. Okay, so it's showing me welcome user, it's a JSP page. So this is how it works. And here you can simply remove this, its JSP page is not needed. You can just simply write welcome user, and even let's just rename it to some other page, because we have a welcome1.html also, if you just don't want to get confused. So we have renamed it, and if we go to login.html, let's do it welcome1.jsp and now run it. So the flow remains the same. So what let's run it, then I'll explain you the flow also. So it's showing me welcome user. So what the flow is, that from when you're running or deploying an application or server, the first request goes to web.xml only, but here there is no servlet mapping. So it just simply showed me the login.html file, and when it clicked on the login.html submit the data, and it clicked on an submit button, the what action it takes to take is now welcome1.jsp. This is now not being mapped to any servlet, or a URL mapping is not written, direct JSP page name is given, and then in the welcome1.jsp only we have written the HTML code. And here this is the static content so what we need to show is welcome user Ajay or something. So that dynamic content we still needs to embed into it using the JSP tags, which we'll be studying in the next tutorial.